in a DAO, theoretically, everybody has community ownership. Everybody has equal footing. It's the flattest of the flat.
For our listeners that don't know what a DAO is, let's take a step back. Decentralized Autonomous Organization. Tell us about ATX DAO, how you came to be, and what you focus on.
It's I mean, the start of it is pretty simple. Why ATX DAO started is just to build a community. At like the core, a DAO is just a different type of organizational structure, and it's different from what people typically see, because in a DAO, theoretically, everybody has community ownership. Everybody has equal footing. It's the flattest of the flat. And the way, like, from the beginning, you start at this completely flat level, and sure, you might be able to build a hierarchy, but it's the community that's choosing it.
Right.
And so with ATX DAO, we started it as a small group of people in Austin that were interested in crypto and blockchain, and we grew our membership over time, and we built out what we wanted the organization to be. And each member has their membership denoted by one NFT, and that NFT is one vote. So everybody in the organization has the ability to determine what that treasury is used for, and they have the ability to basically shape the organization in any way they want to.
Is it cap supply of membership?
So with
or is it NFT created every time someone new wants to join?
We do it in membership rounds. Okay. So the first round was 24 people, Genesis members. The second round was about 100, and so we did like an application process.
Okay.
And then we expanded a little bit more. We're going to do another round soon, but primarily it comes in batches, and we prepare enough NFTs, and we make sure that we vet the applicants and make sure we're cultivating a strong community.
One thing I wanna add to the history of the DAO is, or just generally to DAOs specifically, and then specific to ATX DAO. I like to describe DAOs sometimes as a mix of a civic organization with a company with a social experiment. It's really cool because we are a group of people who are working towards a specific goal, and we act like a startup in a way to reach those goals, but at the same time with the social experiment in the sense that there's nobody who's really in charge, and then things actually happen and evolve organically. So Maze was talking about the founding and the creation of ATX DAO, and it was really cool to observe how, like, ATX DAO started more as a social club, more like people getting together and talking about crypto, and then slowly it kind of, with more people coming in, with different ideas coming in, with things happening organically, it merged into this like very well structured, quasi-civic dedicated organization dedicated to making Austin the crypto capital of the world. And usually the way that we tend to pitch ATX DAO is we do three main things. We do a lot of community work. So we help connect the crypto communities in Austin and in Texas. We do parties like the party that we're throwing tonight. We do a lot of innovation. So we help artists and businesses and just people in general get onboarded onto crypto. And we do a lot of policy work as well to make Texas and Austin more crypto friendly. And all of that kind of encompassing the same goal of making Austin the crypto capital of the world.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. We had a great time here at Consensus. At the Texas Blockchain Council, we are striving to be the nexus between traditional industries, banking, finance, legal, energy, and the digital asset industry. So we want to help you get your brand in front of those kinds of companies with B2B opportunities. Reach out to us if that's of interest for membership or for sponsorship at the summit. Hope to see you there in November in Fort Worth. Thanks again. We look forward to seeing you at the summit.